Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift on Steam Deck. First, you will need to prepare your device by installing a compatible launcher. Then, we will walk through downloading the game client and configuring it for optimal performance. Finally, we will cover essential controller settings and troubleshooting tips to ensure a fantastic gaming experience. This guide will help you enjoy Wild Rift seamlessly on your handheld. To begin, install a Windows game launcher such as Lutris or the Heroic Games launcher onto your Steam Deck. These tools allow you to manage and run Windows-based games. Once installed, use your chosen launcher to download the Wild Rift client. Remember to ensure the Proton compatibility layer is properly set up for smooth operation. Verifying game files post-installation helps prevent common errors. Next, optimize your in-game settings for the best performance. Adjust graphics options like resolution and texture quality to achieve a stable frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second. Utilize Steam Input to meticulously map your controller buttons for precise gameplay. Sometimes, experimenting with a custom Proton version can enhance stability and overall compatibility. Matching the display resolution to your Steam Deck screen is also crucial. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and best practices. If you encounter crashes or performance drops, try restarting your device or verifying game files again. Regularly updating your Steam Deck's operating system and graphics drivers is vital for stability. The community offers many advanced configuration guides if you need further assistance. With these tips, you are ready to enjoy Wild Rift on your portable gaming device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.